Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to color these alphabets. We will be learning A to Z with different colors. Let us get started with the color names. This is light blue color. This is dark pink color. This is orange color. This is brown color. This is dark green color. This is black color. This is purple color. This is yellow color. This is light green color. This is dark blue color. This is red color. So we will start writing from here to here. This is A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. H for hat. H for hat. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jug. J for jug. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. N for nest. O for owl. O for owl. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for sun. S for sun. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. So now kids, we will be starting to read all these alphabets: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you kids for writing this with me. I hope you like it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.